Are we rolling? So today we'll be making aglio, olio, e peperoncino. It's just like aglio e olio, and the main difference though is in this ingredient. So in aglio e olio we would typically use dry chili flakes. Well, in this case we use a fresh chili. I personally prefer it. I feel like it gives it a better kick and just makes the taste a lot better in this dish. It's quite easy, fairly simple, although this can be screwed up with its technique. So once you've got your technique right, you're good to go. So it's only a few ingredients. We have parsley, which is obviously for the garnish, but can also be used for flavor. And I'll add that halfway through. Then we have our main ingredient, which is a peperoncino, or just a chili pepper. This comes from South Italy. Typically I would use 3 garlic cloves, but these are 2 large ones. So we've got our pasta here. Per person, I would say maybe 100 grams. Then we've got our extra virgin olive oil. The extra virgin olive oil gives it its true taste. You could use olive oil, but just the extra virgin is just, it's the cherry on the cake. So, and we've got fresh sea salt here. So these are our main ingredients. We should probably move now into the mise en place. And mise en place, for anyone who doesn't know, is the preparation in advance when you cook. So let's get to that. First, we're going to start by thinly slicing our garlic. A scene that always comes to mind when cutting my garlic is the prison cooking scene in Goodfellas. The scene itself has some irony as we see these violent mafia criminals show their love for food by really going into detail on their technique, almost like it's a ritual. Then we're going to boil some water, and after salting it we'll add the pasta and cook it for as long as it says on the packet. Split your chili in half, then carefully remove the seeds. And whatever you do, don't touch your eyes. Fuck. After feeling like Satan just spat in your face, then try and remove them again, leaving as much as you like for a little kick. Mince your parsley fine, and once you're done, add your oil to the pan. Add the garlic and peperoncino, and we're going to let that sizzle until golden brown on a medium-low heat. Adding some pasta water prevents the garlic from burning. Once the garlic is nice and golden brown, add your pasta and give it a stir. Then add your parsley and mix it again and make sure all those flavors are incorporated in the pasta. And that's it, done. That's your dish. Add some parmesan and Bob's your uncle, you have some amazing aglio e olio peperoncino. Finally, here's some footage of me not knowing how to act in front of the camera. I mean, do I moan? Do I smile? Whatever. See you on the next one.